the thing.
I do?
Yeah.
Travel Tip Tuesday!
Welcome everybody. We're here today with another storage tip. Alright, so we just finished the holidays, and if you've got kids in your RV like we do, board games are kind of a staple for those cold, wet, rainy days kind of things. I don't know if you can kind of see out the window. We've got snow outside. And as much as our kids love playing in the snow, sometimes they don't want to go outside when it's super cold or wet. So anyway, here is what happened. Santa and us got board games for the kids. And as you can see, that's a lot of space. And in an RV, we're always looking for ways to save space. Not to mention, these are cardboard. And cardboard attracts cockroaches. It provides a home and a meal for them. So we are always trying to get rid of any extra cardboard, and we do this with our food and everything too. So what's our solution? It is plastic bags. And so I'm going to show you how much room these cool little bags will help save you. And yeah, so, and we'll also put a link down below for these bags on Amazon. They come in like a 12-pack, and they come in all different kinds of sizes. And they're super handy to have around the house for a couple different things. So let's see how much room we're going to save. Okay, so there it is. I put these 4 games into these 4 bags. Now, things that I have done in the past, I have actually cut off like a side and maybe put it in there so that you could see it more easily, or you could tape it to the outside. I've seen people do that as well. And then I will use little bags to organize like maybe little game pieces or cards or things like that that you may have seen in the video as well. So you can see it's about half the space, and we have like one box where we keep the bigger games, and this will all fit into that box now. So it's a great way for us to save. Plus I don't have all this cardboard on here. So this has been like a saver for us. I love this. The kids actually seem to keep better care when they're in the plastic bags than they do the box. Let's face it, these things get mangled and bruised and beaten to death. So the bags have been a really great solution. Plus, no cardboard around to attract cockroaches, nothing to get wet, you know, from moisture or anything like that, because we know that that's always a problem in campers too. Yeah, so that's it. Here's my space-saving tip. Okay, so one thing I did want to mention is a game like this. So this is building pieces. For this particular one, I will keep this in the box because this particular game, when it is in the box like this, takes up the least amount of space. If I put it in one of these bags, they are likely to lose some of the pieces, which then means we cannot play the game as easily. So not everything works in these bags. Some games like this just work better in the box. All right, guys, thanks again for joining us on another Travel Tip Tuesday. If you're not already a subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week for another travel tip. Thanks, everyone.